In this video tutorial, we approach missions with the Kriket robot with a new attachment, and we do this as a second try over the same missions. We can see the attachments and how we've modified it. We have to accomplish the rechargeable unit, the television and the wind turbine. And this is a second implementation for the same problems in order for us to see the differences. One way in which this tutorial will be different from the others is that we'll also take a look at some of the ways in which you can execute different actions in parallel. We'll use this block for broadcasting a message. We'll go over all the missions, and in the end we'll explain the program along with broadcasting different messages and executing different parts of the program in parallel, which helps us save a lot of time and have more time for accomplishing the missions. Let's see.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.